Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and I'm here with another video. If you are new to the channel, I really appreciate if you could click the subscribe button. You'll get the and the bell so you can get notified every single time I have a video. And trust me, sometime I have some interesting stuff to share. Now, I want to say thank you to every single one of you that tuning in, and especially to every single one of you that tuned in today this morning because you guys actually broke a new record. I never, if you guys look at the history, 26, 37, I think 37 was the highest views of the per single video on my channel. And today you guys have broken the record. 90 views on this single video right there. That's the Bitcoin is coming down again, which ran around 6 or 7 o'clock in the morning, New York time. I appreciate you guys. This is actually makes it worthwhile. Now I know I should be doing more of these because you guys are making it worthwhile. So definitely I appreciate if you guys could like the video because that actually I believe in addition to some of the subscribers and the liking of the video would actually push that to the new high. So thank you again, guys. I know now that you guys are interested, and you guys actually just confirmed today that you guys are interested and appreciative of the information that I'm sharing. So, what actually happening? Um, I've been away for a couple hours today, had a fantastic meeting, and some of the things I believe is going to start moving off the ground, and I'm excited about that. In addition to that, I might be start sharing some of those things here on the channel, so you guys can actually go and do that nationally and worldwide because we need to get prepared what's actually coming before New Year's. But not about that right now. Bitcoin. As you guys remember from the previous video, I said it will trade somewhere between here and this area, and we have dropped a little bit lower. Still don't understand, but I guess if this is a head, then I had it to drop to the bottom of the neckline, then come up, build a shoulder. But I still believe we should be trading this area unless this considers to be a head and we are actually make the shoulder. So we traded this area, we kind of moved and had a little trade here. Right now we're kind of moving, trading in the top area. So please watch carefully, and next couple hours might reveal something else. Either we're going to continue trade in this area, which means which will I c- put a 90% chance that we're going to continue going up. But if for any reason we fail to trade this area here and we turn around and start coming down, most likely we are coming down, and 48 possibly was the top for this run. So, which again, as I mentioned before, it does line up with this first shot up, or the wig that actually went up to 48,000 on that day when we had that rally, and it just came up, filled in all those market orders that market makers spend to bring us back down, and now we are kind of giving a green light to come down. So either or, have some patience. Don't go crazy unless you can afford to take a little loss. Then yeah, then maybe get in and trade this area if this area continues to trade and go up. But if you're thinking of doing that, be careful. Watch your trades. Don't let it catch you on its way down. So there's not much that I can say until it start revealing itself where it's going, either start dropping down or fills in this order, then most likely will break out to the top and create another new high, most likely, which probably will be 49. and then we'll start trading that area. So blessings to every single one of you, and thank you again for creating the new high of 90 watchers on that last video. And I guess I have Stephen Worley. Hey, how's it going? Mr. Stacy, keep up the great words. Like, hey guys, I appreciate you. I appreciate you guys commenting, responding. It gives me a reason to actually come back because sometimes when you look and you see only 2, 3 watches, there's actually was a video a couple days ago that went for a day with 0 watches. I'm like, geez, is it worth that effort? So I appreciate you guys. You guys are made my day, especially with you guys this morning, and then the meeting that I had at the town hall. I actually, honestly, I think today is the best day for me. There's a lot of blessings today. So I hope you guys are being just as blessed as much as I'm being blessed today. And most of all, I'll try my best for you guys to be blessed more. And at the end of the day, there's only one thing that matters, and you guys will agree with me, is the bottom line. What can you guys put in your wallet? Hey, Jamie. Good afternoon, brother. Keep it up. I appreciate you, man, Jamie. So, end of the day, there's only one thing is, and what is the bottom line? How much you can put in your wallet. And I will try my best to help you guys make that happen. So you guys do put something in your wallet, but we need to find the right time. If we truly coming down, and guys, don't get me wrong, I would love this thing to come down. I would love this thing to come down more than go up right now. Because if this thing goes down, every single one of you will at least 5 times your money. At least. Unless you guys will hear me wrong. And I want every single one of you to actually hear me right when we do come down. Because I want every single one of you to multiply your money between 5 to 25 times. Hear me right. Between 5 to 25 times your money. So, guys, I would love it to come down. But, end of the day, who am I? I am nobody against the market makers. They're the one making decision. And if they decide that it's coming down, oh man, you guys, I'm gonna be happy. You guys will be happy with me when we hit the bottom and we get in and actually ride the wave to the top. But now, if this thing has to go up, like I mentioned this morning, all the way up to 250, 260 before it comes down, hey, that's okay. We can take our money, triple, double from now up, then actually cash out, write it down, and then get back in, and then at that point, uh, we'll have a bigger dollar amount to take it from between 5 to at that point. Ah, geez, if we go to 250, let's say example, then we drop to 8. The next time, again, Bitcoin most likely at that time will not go up. So there will be about 2 handfuls of coins that will actually at that point only go up. And I already explained once in my first video that I actually did on this channel, as well as in the future I'll actually try to repeat again. But if this thing goes 2 to 50, drops to 8,000, Bitcoin will not go up from 50. It will not be able to recover. There's 2 handfuls of coins at that point that will actually rally. They'll fall independent from Bitcoin. But at that point, it's going to be between 25 times to 100 times your money. So, guys, I tell you honestly, this is can be amazing. If we go up, but I tell you guys honestly, I'd rather have it go down and then think about it because end of the day we want to get that results quicker than longer, right? One maker manipulates you so much, and if feels they will want to scare those who have brought and crash the market. You are right, Mr. Stacy. You are exactly right. they will try to they are manipulating the market already, and they'll continue try to manipulate it, and they'll try to catch as many of us as they can. That's why I try to foresee a move that is big enough to actually let you guys know that might be time to get out. Again, if you, let's say you tripled your money and you had it to go away a little way because you wanted to be sure that we are coming down sometime, it's worth that. That's why I always recommend trading on platforms that are more reliable, that have small fees, and there's a less chance of getting yourself caught in a storm of a drop. So definitely, um, if you're in a trade, watch your charts. As you guys can see, um, is trying to do something down here. There's two possibilities. One possibility that it's trying to create an energy by pumping up so you can have energy to break through and fall to the next level. Um, I don't see how it actually can continue to the next level to 49,000 without trading this area for a little while. So that's why I'm kind of mentioning if it's not won't trade this, it will probably come down to next level here at the bottom, which next level would be between here and here. Um, as well, since we have taken a long road up, there might be a possibility if we find enough of energy to start falling, we can actually take an elevator down, which means the fall can last only a couple hours and we'll find ourselves below 30,000. So either or, whatever it happens, be prepared, be wise, and if I catch it on time, I always get a live and actually try to warn you guys and keep you guys posted. Nothing candles close is about hour and a half, I think. Yes, we're about an hour and 40 minutes away from starting another day in crypto world. That means the the counters will reset to zero and we'll start seeing new percentages. So yes, it is happening in an hour and 40 minutes, and I believe we might see as well some outcomes. But as I mentioned in the past, 8 o'clock is not just a reset of a day, but it also sometimes it's a panic time. It can actually shoot up and then turn around and shoot down and then come back to where it was. And that period of time usually lasts about 30 minutes from 8 to about 8:30. So that period of time of New York time, so that period of time I always recommend not to panic and kind of wait it out. And if you are in a trade, try to cash out at whatever the side of the benefits you, and then wait till 8:30 and then kind of make a decision you want to back in or not. But again, only if your fees are cheap enough. Um, Possibly, uh, Mr. Stacy, that we will see where it goes at 8 o'clock. But let's get there and let's see because I learned and being with you guys for about a month now on this channel, and I learned one thing: unless you see exactly what's happening, just show the possibilities, and then when it starts revealing itself, then bring it to attention and actually make a decision. You're in or you're out on a trade. So I will try to keep you guys posted as soon as I see something more than possibilities of either both directions, and that's what I'll try to keep you guys posted with. Blessings to every single one of you, and keep you guys posted as things reveal.